Hi everyone and welcome back to my Forex channel, and in this video I will show you how I scalp the market using super simple and easy setup strategy that helps me to spot the high probability zones on the chart. And by the way guys, I will be doing a massive giveaway of $1,000 as my thank you for a massive support. So if you like to enter a giveaway, just follow me on my Instagram kristina.forex for the further instructions. So without further ado, let's just jump into the video. As you know, scalping is a technique which involves the opening and closing of the trades in a super short time to reach a quick profits on a lower time frames. To start off 5-minute scalping strategy, we need to pull up 1 hour chart, because if we would like to trade on a smaller time frames, we must have some sort of confirmation chart that will help us to understand the direction of the market. So as you can see, I do have Euro USD on 1 hour time frame. This will be my confirmation chart just to know what's actually going on with a market. And as you can see, my resistance zone is been already identified because of 1 2 3 touch pattern, and in this case my trend line acts as a support as well, because what it means that anytime price touch the trend line or a support zone, it just shot towards the upside. And this is the fundamentals that you actually need for this strategy or any other strategy. You need to know how to analyze the price action, how the market structure works, because this is very important fundamentals for, just to have an idea what's actually going on with the market. So once you are finished with your analysis, we will need to add a 3 exponential moving averages of periods 8, 13 and 21 as an addition to the strategy. So I do have my moving averages already added on. Once you will open TradingView or any other platform, I think there should be no problem to find one of those. So on a TradingView, you have to press on indicators, and then you have to type in moving averages, or you can type in but don't do the mistake which sometimes traders do. It's not going to be the moving averages like the simple one. We have to press on a moving average exponential, and because we need 3 of them, you have to triple click, and then you will have to change a settings on one of these ones. So there will be this gear bar over here, and then you basically have to change the length of 21, and then on the second it will be 8, and the last one will be 13. So let's open a 5-minute time frame and to see what's actually going on and how we can scalp using this strategy. Alright guys, so here we are on a 5-minute time frame for Euro USD, and all the exponential moving averages are set to go. So in this particular case, we are in an uptrend. We have the market above our 3 exponential moving averages. So in this scenario, we are looking for a buy trades. On the other hand, if you're looking for a sell signal, your price or your candlesticks must be below of those 3 moving averages, because we are going with the trend. You are never ever going against the trend. Now, the way these indicators perform for this strategy are as follows. So what you want to do is you have to look for candlesticks that doesn't touch any of the 3 exponential moving averages for at least 4 to 5 candlesticks, or for at least 20 to 25 minutes. So here we have an example where we have 1 2 3 4 5 candlesticks that have not touched any of 3 EMAs, and then a candlestick that finally broke or touched an EMA of period 8. And then after the step, what you have to do is to count back 5 candlesticks, and the next step is to find the highest and the lowest points of these 5 candlesticks. By finding those points, you need to count them by the body itself. It's not the wick that you need to count from, it's not like somewhere over here or over here. It's the actual body, so the body itself. So what you have to do, as soon as you see this candlestick, the one that touched the moving averages, you have to count it back from the 5. So 1 2 3 4 5, and this will be our lowest point. As you can see, it's by the body. This is our lowest point, and now we have to do the same for the higher. So as you can see, once you have the lowest and the highest point, it does look like a support and resistance zones. This is something that you can definitely implement into the strategy for sure. So just to recap, we identified the first candlestick that touched or crossed the EMA line. So including that candlestick, we count back 5 candlesticks, and then we identify the lowest and the highest point of those 5 candlesticks. Because candlesticks are above the exponential moving averages, and we also have moving averages and candlesticks in an upward direction, this is what's referred as an uptrend. And again, guys, when it comes to this strategy, you don't go against the trend. This is a rule number 1. You never ever go against the trend. So what we are looking for in this case is for a buy position, and your entry position or an entry point for this strategy will be the highest point of those 5 candlesticks that you just have marked in. So as you can see, my entry point is 1.22222, and I would be risking for 13.4 pips. So in regards to specifics on how to enter a trade, you can actually leave your trade open and then monitor it, and granted, once you reach about 10-15% of your trade in profit, or if you want to enter a stop loss and take profit levels, you can go back to the original candlestick that you identified and then take the difference of the highest and the lowest points, and you use that as take profit and stop loss values. So as you can see, for this 5-minute scalping strategy, all you need is to have 3 exponential moving averages, and as soon as you identify the 5 candlesticks, you see the one that actually touched the exponential moving averages. And if you even have a bullish engulfing candle above the exponential moving averages, you have everything what you need to go for a buy trade. So again, very simple strategy. The concept and the principles behind it are very simple and easy to follow, but more importantly, it is quite accurate. Also, do not forget that you should apply this strategy with your top-down analysis, the market structure, and understanding your support and resistance zones. So that was it for today's session. I hope you enjoyed this 5-minute scalping strategy. If you did, leave a comment down below and smash the like button. It means a lot to me. And once again, guys, thank you for watching me, and I will talk to you later. Bye.